Well, here's something you don't see very often. A big new car that's not an SUV. In fact, the Peugeot 508 here is a 3-box saloon. Remember them? Me neither. So I asked my dad. He said something about an Astra Belmont, but then I lost interest. Anyways, this non-SUV is actually very good looking, inside and out. Peugeot's really found its cabin mojo of late, and the 508 here looks like a really interesting place to sit. Inside. And in another move against the grain, this car is both smaller and lighter than the car that it replaces. Oh, and in a dramatic twist, it's not actually a saloon, it's a fastback, so it's got a massive hatchback like a Rover Vitesse. Cashback. Everything else is standard dad car stuff. Couple of petrols, couple of diesels, petrol electric hybrid due in 2019 or something. And prices starting at around £26,000, we reckon. And that's all there is to know for now about the Peugeot 508. Thanks for watching. See ya.